To foam roll your calves, what you're gonna do is take any foam roller. This one's a PVC pipe with a little bit of hard coil around it. You're gonna place it somewhere in the middle of your calf to begin. And what's important is you're going to not go any lower than your heel and not up any higher than the back of your knee. You don't really need to get directly into the pit of the knee, but you can come all the way up and close to it without any problem. You're gonna spend about 30 to 60 seconds, maybe a little longer on each calf for every single time you do this. I'll roll my pants up a little bit. So I'm gonna start with my Achilles right in the foam roller, and I'm going to put my hands down and I'm gonna use my upper body to control how much force I'm putting into the foam roller with my calf. The more it hurts, the more you can use your upper body. It's important that you find knots or trigger points, and when you find it, you hold it. You want to add a little extra to this, you can always dorsiflex and plantar flex through your ankle and foot, so that way you can kind of thread your calf through the foam roller. You need a little extra pressure. You can put your leg over top of the other, and you can bring your butt up, and you can really get some pressure into there and feel it as much as you want. You're gonna go through this 3 times in this primer, and you're going to spend, again, about 1 minute to 2 minutes per each side. And when you're holding, don't hold the trigger point for any longer than about 1 minute. Make sure you cover your entire calf. Search and scan the entire area before you settle on where you're gonna hold. Only hold on the spots you need to, but cover the full calf to be sure.